Hi, 你好, I'm Jenny, 加分老师, a Mandarin teacher from Taiwan. And you are watching Non-Stop Mandarin. Today I'm going to teach you 10 most useful comments in Mandarin, part 1. Let's get started. In Mandarin grammar or sentence structure, when we see a topic or object, we put comments right after it. We don't put M is R in between like other languages. Like in English, you say Taiwan is very good, but in Mandarin, we only say Taiwan, very good. We don't put M is R in between. And I will teach you how to use M is R correctly in the future videos. Comment number 1. 很好,很好. 很 means very, 好 means good. 很好 means very good. 很好,很好. For example, 台湾很好. 台湾很好. Taiwan is very good. 台湾很好. And if you are a big fan of iPhone, you will say iPhone 很好. iPhone 很好. iPhone is very good. iPhone 很好. Comment number 2. 不错. 不错. 不错 means pretty good. 不错. Some people think 不错 means not bad, but from my understanding, 不错 actually means pretty good. It's very positive. In English, not bad sounds like you don't want to say something is bad, so you say it's not bad. But in Mandarin, 不错 actually means pretty good. We use 不错 a lot in our daily life. I don't really drink coffee, but I know a lot of people they like Starbucks. So you can say Starbucks 咖啡不错. Starbucks 咖啡 Cafe means coffee. 不错 pretty good. Starbucks 咖啡不错. Comment number 3. 还好. 还好. 还好 means so-so. It's okay. 还好. When you walk on the street and you fall accidentally, people ask you, are you okay? You can answer, 我还好. 我还好. I'm okay. 我还好. Comment number 4. 不好. 不好. Not good. 不好 means bad. 不好. When we talk about something bad like COVID-19, you say COVID-19 不好. COVID-19 is bad, not good. COVID-19 不好. 不好. You can use 很好, 不错, 还好, 不好 when people ask you 你好吗? 你好 is hello. 你好吗 is a question. How are you? We put 吗 at the end of 你好, it becomes 你好吗 means how are you? Hey, 来福, 你好吗?
我很好。
帅哥，你好吗？
我不错。
英雄，你好吗？
我还好。
美女，你好吗？
嘿，我不好。
Comment number 5. 很帅，很帅。很 means very. 帅 handsome, good looking guy. 很帅，很帅。For example, my husband. Oh no, that's not my husband. During World Cup time, all the boys, all the soccer fans, they watch the football game, soccer game. But for girls, most of the girls, we look at the handsome players. 很帅 like, oh, he's handsome. Oh, 他很帅，他很帅，他很帅。For my generation, I'm 42 this year, so like in my generation, we think Tom Cruise 很帅. Tom Cruise 很帅. Tom Cruise is handsome. Tom Cruise 很帅. So what do you think? Who's handsome? Comment number 6. 漂亮，漂亮， 漂亮 means pretty. 漂亮。漂亮 can be used in a person or scenery. Let me give you a very good example. 世界小姐很漂亮。世界 means world. 小姐 means miss. 很漂亮 very pretty. 世界小姐很漂亮。Miss Universe is very pretty. 世界小姐很漂亮。You can also use 漂亮 to describe a place. Like I've been to Italy, Florence. It's very beautiful there, very pretty there. I can say Florence 很漂亮。Florence 很漂亮。Florence is very pretty. Florence 很漂亮。Comment number 7. 可爱。可爱。可爱 means cute. 可爱。Let me give you an example. Teddy bear 很可爱。Teddy bear 很可爱。Teddy bear is very cute. Teddy bear 很可爱。Comment number 8. 厉害。厉害。厉害 means awesome, amazing, great. 厉害。All the superheroes are 很厉害。Like Superman 很厉害。Superman 很厉害。Or someone who can speak 5 languages. You can say 他很厉害。他很厉害。Comment number 9. 方便。方便。方便 means convenient. 方便。If you have been to Taiwan, you know we have a lot of convenience stores. It's everywhere, every corner. Like 7-Eleven. I would say 7-Eleven 很方便。7-Eleven 很方便。7-Eleven is very convenient. And also, in many Asian countries, we ride scooters or motorcycles a lot. So we can say 摩托车很方便。摩托车 means scooters or motorcycles. 摩托车很方便。Scooters are very convenient. Comment number 10. 好吃。好吃。好 is good. 吃 is eat. 好吃 means delicious. 好吃。Everybody enjoys good food. So if you find something good to eat, something delicious, something yummy, you can say 很好吃。很好吃。Like pizza 很好吃。Pizza 很好吃。Pizza is very delicious. Pizza 很好吃。And let's review the 10 comments we have learned today. Number 1. 很好。很好 very good. And question. 什么很好？什么 means what? 什么很好 What's very good? 什么很好？ Number 2. 不错。不错。不错 means pretty good. 不错。And question. 什么不错？ What's pretty good? 什么不错？ Number 3. 还好。还好。还好 means okay, so. 还好。Question. 什么还好？ What's okay? 什么还好？ And number 4. 不好。不好 not good. And question. 什么不好？ What's not good? 什么不好？ And number 5. 很帅。很帅 very handsome. 很帅。And my question is, 谁很帅？谁 means who. Who is very handsome? 谁很帅？谁很帅？ Comment number 6. 漂亮。漂亮 pretty. 漂亮。And my question is, 谁很漂亮？ Who is very pretty? 谁很漂亮？ And if you want to ask for a place, where is beautiful, where is pretty, you can ask 哪里很漂亮？哪里 means where, asking for a place. 哪里很漂亮？哪里很漂亮？ Comment number 7. 可爱。 可爱 cute 可爱 You can ask 什么很可爱 What's very cute 什么很可爱 What's very cute Or you want to ask who is very cute 谁很可爱谁很可爱 Who's very cute 谁很可爱 Comment number 8厉害厉害 awesome powerful great amazing 厉害厉害 So if you want to ask what's awesome, what's great, 什么很厉害什么很厉害 Or you want to ask who's amazing, who's very talented, you can ask 谁很厉害谁很厉害 Who is talented, who is amazing, 谁很厉害 And comment number 9方便方便 convenient 方便 You can ask what is convenient 什么很方便什么很方便什么很方便 Or you want to ask where is convenient to live, to stay, where is easy to stay, you can ask 哪里很方便哪里很方便哪里很方便 Comment number 10好吃好吃 delicious 好吃 Question 什么很好吃 What's very delicious 什么很好吃 That's our 10 comments in Mandarin today and they are really useful. And I give you 10 questions so you can answer 10 questions down below, okay? If you have more questions, you can email me at nonstopmandarin@gmail.com. If you'd like to have a free worksheet, you can also email me at nonstopmandarin@gmail.com. And also, you are very welcome to join my online lesson on Skype. You can also follow Nonstop Mandarin at Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Nonstop Mandarin, nonstop learning. If you like my video lessons, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. 再见。